The people of Tripura, we never lost. We fiercely fought against the Mughals. We lost, we came back. We won, we lost, we came back. We won, but we never surrendered. When the British came, my great grandfather wanted to make a hospital, and when he started constructing the hospital for the people of Tripura, 1898, the British suddenly said, "You cannot construct a hospital because if you construct a hospital, nobody will come for treatment in Bengal." So my grandfather said, "If I resist the British, they may attack us. But if I say okay, then I will look bad in front of my people." So then this indigenous Maharaja of Tripura wrote a letter to the British saying, "If you want me to stop the hospital, I'll do it. But what will I tell your queen? Because we had named it Queen Victoria Hospital." So the British got scared. Oh my God! So carry on. So that was diplomacy then. The first selfie ever taken is between my great-great-grandfather and his wife, who happens to be a Manipuri. And if you see that selfie, it was taken in 145 years ago. And so these are small things. That means we were not backward people. We had full access, and we were intermarrying, and we were spreading our culture everywhere.